Today, we're diving into the exciting world of automotive manufacturing and how artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the industry. Gone are the days of traditional assembly lines. With the help of artificial intelligence, car manufacturers are taking production to a whole new level. Imagine, what used to take weeks can now be done in days, all thanks to artificial intelligence. Safety is another big concern in automotive manufacturing. Artificial intelligence is making huge strides in ensuring the safety of workers on the factory floor. By using sensors and cameras, artificial intelligence can detect potential hazards and alert workers to prevent accidents before they happen. Plus, with artificial intelligence handling the most dangerous tasks, workers can focus on more skilled and rewarding work, creating a safer and happier work environment for everyone. Quality control is crucial in the automotive industry, and artificial intelligence is enhancing it like never before. Machine learning algorithms can analyze thousands of data points to identify defects and anomalies in real time, ensuring that every car meets the highest standards of quality. Say goodbye to human error and hello to flawless vehicles rolling off the production line. With artificial intelligence driving innovation in automotive manufacturing, the possibilities are endless. From increased efficiency and safety to unparalleled quality control, the future of car production has never looked brighter. If you found this video informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on the latest tech trends. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.